Hello, today I'm on an iPad to talk to you about Google Meet and joining Google Meets that your facilitator holds for in-person virtual learning. Google Meet is an app that you should have on your iPad. You can see that I have mine here. I'm going to go ahead and open that Meet, and your facilitator should give you a Google Meet meeting code or nickname. If you tap at the very bottom here, you'll see enter a Meet code. I'm going to go ahead and enter today's code and click join the meeting. If I've joined that meeting before my facilitator is inside the meeting, I'm going to get the following error message. You aren't allowed to join this meeting. And that's by design. You do have to be patient and wait for your facilitator to join the meeting before you are able to join the meeting. So I'm going to wait a minute here, pretend the time has gone by. My facilitator has joined today's meeting. And now I can go ahead and hit join meeting, and I'm able to come in, and I can see that both of us are there. We're able to use the meeting. I can listen to the information that is being given. I can comment to answer or ask any questions that I need to just by simply coming up here, hitting the little chat, tapping that, typing in my message. When I'm ready to leave the meeting, I simply come down here, use the hang up button, or I can double tap the home and swipe that app away to leave the meeting. I'm just going to go ahead and hang up. And now I'm out of today's meeting. So again, you should get a nickname or meeting code to enter that meeting. You do need to wait for your facilitator to join the meeting first. Otherwise, you're going to see that message that you can't join this meeting. So please just be patient, give them a minute, they're on their way. As always, I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.